In this video, we are going to see how to fix TSOM ETL error detected an abnormal ETL termination, java.lang stack overflow error in true site capacity optimization. If you run a TSOM ETL or TSOM API or the JSON-based ETL and come across this message, token expired, refreshing the token, or it says detected an abnormal ETL termination error, then this is because the username and password given for the ETL configuration is wrong. So go back to the ETL page and here click on edit configuration. Verify the username and password given and correct it to make the ETL work. One can check the authentication of the user and password by logging into the ETL machine and running the curl command. So I'm in the ETL server. Here I will use the curl command to verify the username and password given for the TSOM ETL is correct or not. So I'm just providing the same username and password given on the ETL, and this is the curl command, and then I click enter. It says 401, which means unauthorized admin. So this username or password is wrong here. So we need to verify and correct this username and password. So for example, so I give this and I hit enter, and it says the status message okay. So which means this username and password is correct. Now we'll go back to the ETL run configuration and we make the changes. So I'm in the ETL page. Here I verify the username and the password, and then I click save. Post that, I will run the ETL. So the ETL is saved. I click on run active configuration here, and then we'll click on show log to verify if the ETL is connected properly or not. As you can see, login succeeded and it's now populating device cache for all the devices. Thank you for watching and have a great day.